question I get asked the most is, what is your favorite place in Georgia? And I always feel a little bit bad because I haven't seen all the places. I haven't been to Svaneti, for example. I haven't been to KHEVSURETI. But today that changes, because today we are in Svaneti. Yes! But first let me tell you a bit more about how we got here. We left Saturday morning early at 8 o'clock in the AM. This is Nene. This is Irakli. Irakli is my camera guy, and here he's making fun about me being hungover in the back of the car. That's me right there. Irakli kind of has a different idea of how to start the day, and he claimed he has a great solution for my hangover as well. Which went well. Small pit stop. We made it to Svaneti, I think. There's snow and big mountains. And a doggy! Hello, doggy. Hey! Hey! Hey, doggy! Hey! Anyway, we continued our journey, and after 12 hours in the car, we reached our final destination, Mestia. The next morning, as beautiful as it was outside, I woke up yet again with a hangover. Irakli, on the other hand, was a bit more eager to start the day than I was.
Jesper! Jesper!
What?
Come on, let's go! Go!
So, relatively early morning after realistically quite a lot of vodka. I don't know how people do it. It's a tough drink to drink. I think we're the only ones awake in the entire region. Anyway, time for breakfast. Selamat jobat.
Selamat jobat.
So we are literally the only ones at the breakfast table. There's no one at the breakfast table. See, that's what vodka does to you people. Eventually though, the rest of our travel companions woke up as well and joined us at the breakfast table. Okay, so according to, am I in focus? Yes. According to the weather forecast, it's going to be minus 24 degrees where we're going. I've never experienced that kind of cold. I don't know if I'm ready for that kind of cold, and I definitely need more clothes. 24? Jesus Christ, it's beautiful here. Setting up the drone at the moment. Irakli is flying it. We're gonna fly it up to there, and you're gonna see those images in 3 seconds by the power of editing. Isn't that amazing? So, first time in Svaneti, and it's beautiful. The mountains are super big, the snow is very white, it's not that cold as we expected. I can stay here like for at least 7 weeks and not be bored. It's beautiful, I like it.
As we were on some of the highest and widest mountains in the area, I decided it was a good idea to go snowboarding for a bit, which was fun.
So one of my favorite things in Georgia is that there's a lot of doggies, tsugas, and they're also happy. This one seems to be a little bit jealous though. Happy doggies.
Like a map with no ocean.
We went up and down the slopes for a bit longer before deciding it was enough for the day and going back to the hotel. The next day, as we were about to leave, I put up the drone one more time to showcase some of the beauty of this part of Georgia. Have a look.
You can.
And so, as our Svaneti adventure slowly comes to an end, I just want to say thank you Svaneti for having me. It's been beautiful, it's been great, and I will be back. Nacht van dies.